In this lecture, you will learn how can a newer website outrank an established website by using the right keywords. Broad keywords are the keywords which have mostly one or two words in them, whereas long tail keywords starts from three words and they go up to. Earlier, sivarweb.com used to be the best free tutorial available to create a WordPress e-commerce website. But now, NYC Tech Club, a comparatively newer website, targeted this long tail keyword with a better content and achieved the first position in Google search. In an article like this, the keyword relevancy should be very high and the bounce rate should be very low. Before we see why experts recommend to target long tail keywords, let's see the basic types that prevail within broad and long tail keywords. Broad keywords can be divided into two main types, that is, navigational and then general. Most of the broad keywords or top monitors. These are some other broad keywords. Now, let's enter into long tail keywords. Long tail keywords are mainly of three types. They are informational, transactional, and again comes general. Now, let's see an example for informational long tail keyword. How to use transactional long tail keyword. Buy graphic card online or buy LED TV online. Here, you're trying to buy something or you're trying to make a transaction and you want the best advice or the best site which has got the product with for general long tail keyword. E-commerce WordPress website. This keyword has got three words. This is neither informational nor transactional long tail keyword. Whereas if you add how to create in front of this e-commerce WordPress website, then it becomes an information just above 80 for future mark and it's 90 for tech radar. So what you can infer from this? For broad keywords, very high competition is prevailing as they get very high traffic. So a newer website or a website with lower domain authority cannot compete for broad keywords. If you're just starting out or if you don't have so many higher authority backlinks, then I recommend you to target low competitive long tail keywords first. Get the initial traffic, which will trigger more social shares. Then you will get backlinks or inbound links from higher authority websites. Eventually, the domain authority of your website will rise. Then you can compete with these higher domain authority websites for broad keywords. Do you know how to do the competitor research in the right way? Let's see that in the next lecture.